Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to learn something else, and you are going to increase your knowledge in computer science so you will be more capable of people. So, first of all, before I start everything, I'm having too much issues with putting the images side by side, the video and the work layout side by side. So, I just want to show you this one briefly. First of all, in our web browser we are using Google Chrome, as you see over here. The name is Google Chrome, as you see. The Google Chrome has tabs. The first tab, second tab, anytime you push this plus, it says new tab, as you can see. Anytime you put it, it will give you a new tab. Assuming I open a YouTube page on this one, okay, on the right hand side, and on the left hand side I have my document and I want to put them side by side. You want to put them side by side, but they have to be a different window. These are tabs, so you cannot make them side by side. To make them side by side, you have to make them a different window. So I should take one of these separate. How do I do this? All I have to do, take one of them down like that, drag it down. Let me show you again. You have to bring your mouse over the tab and drag it down like that. When you see it is separated from the main, you just let go the mouse button, so it will be two windows. So you will have this, as you can see, you have one and you have the second one. Are different, two different windows now. Now we are going to use a shortcut. We call it a shortcut. Let me show you this on the on-screen keyboard. We call this the 1, 2, 3rd button on the left bottom corner. We call this key a Windows key. When you are going to use a Windows key, you have to keep it pressed. When you push the Windows key, it should be, pressed always. You keep it down. And when you push the left key on the keyboard, it should do the work. Okay, so let's try this again. I'm going to click on my YouTube page. In this case, you're going to click on your video page, push Windows key, and push left on the keyboard. When you do this, it takes to the left side. But if you push the right button, it will go to the right side. And when you leave the mouse keyboard button, you will see the other page, and you should also click that one. So they will be side by side. Okay, but I'm not going to use them side by side, so I'm closing this YouTube and maximizing my page back again. So Windows left, keep it in mind. Okay, let's come to today's activity. It's a very short activity. Please be careful. Okay, we are going to work on pictures. We have a toolbar on the top of Google Docs here, and as you see, bold, italic, underline, the stuff we learned already. Now we're going to learn something else. We are going to learn about images today. How to add images. Okay, we're going to add images, but first I want to just write some instruction. You should explain yourself. Hello, my name is Imran. Okay, and I like cats. Good. Now here are some cat pictures for you. Okay, this is the entrance. Okay, as you see, my cursor is blinking at the end of the word you. It's blinking. It's showing that, see, whatever you do, it's going to be appearing here. For example, if you push A, the A will appear here. So, but I want my picture, sorry, I want my picture in the second line. So I have to push enter button on the keyboard. I will show you enter button again because still some of you cannot locate it. Enter button is here. I will push enter button and I will go to the next line. As you see, the enter button takes me to the next line. Now I'm going to insert my picture over here. Okay, I close this. I don't need this anymore. I open this image. Okay, when I click on the image, I see 4 options down here. This is a camera. If you attach the camera from your computer, you can do it. Or this is by URL. It's from a different location from the internet. Or you can just put from your Photos drive or Google Drive. But in this case, we are not going to do those. We are going to search the web for this. If you have a picture on your computer, it's saved on your computer, you can use that one also. But I assume you don't have those. So we will search the web for it. Let's try a cat image. I push enter again and I see a cat image. Okay, in this case I want to put two cat images side by side. Okay, and I want them to be narrow images, not wide images like this. Okay, let's check this. Okay, I'll click on this one. I don't like that one. I like this white small cat. Okay, kitten. Okay, let's use this. I want to take this. When I click on it, you see a blue arrow comes here and one selected. Okay, all I have to do is push this button, insert. When I click on the insert button, it will take some time and appear on my page. It's big, it's huge. I don't want it that big. So what should I do? I should resize it. Resizing needs to clicking on it. When I click on it, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, to resize. These squares are for resizing. But to keep the ratio, you better resize from this corner or that corner, or down from that corner or that corner. Okay, but if you use this one or that one on the side, that will change the shape of the cat. It will be a very thin cat or it will be a very fat cat. So you better use the corner to keep the ratio. So I will now drag this down. As you see, it's getting smaller. How about dragging from here? It does the same thing because my alignment, as you know the alignment before, see my alignment over here, it is to left. Okay, so whatever I change, it will just make it smaller and keep the alignment. Okay, you can try the bottom right corner. It's getting smaller. Okay, small is good. Okay, how about adding another image? See, my mouse cursor is not here, it's not here, it is after the image and blinking on the right bottom corner of the image. This means I'm going to add it to the right side. Okay, now I click on the same button again, the image button, and search the web again. Again, cat. Now I will look for another picture, cat picture. Okay, different cats. Okay, I like that. Okay, I clicked on it, and when I see it, I see the insert. Okay, when I insert it, as you see, it's still big, and it goes to the next line. I want it over here. I don't want it down here. So what should I do? It doesn't fit here. This means I have to make it smaller again. What I will do? I will do the same thing. Use the corners to make it smaller until it automatically fits in here. Oh, it fits now, but it is still big. I want them to be close sizes, okay? So let them be on the same line like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you one more trick. When I click on it, all you have seen that there is a blue round thingy over here. That's a circle on the top. When I click on it, it appears on that one. Okay, I want to use this one. This is to let's say turn the pages around, turn the pictures around. As you see, there is a number on the top. This is the angle value. Okay, I want this to be 330. Let's make it 330. Okay, so okay, almost there. No good. That's good enough. And I want also that one to be angled, but it might not fit, it might fail, but I will try now. If it fails, I will make this smaller and that smaller also. Let's make it this way, 30. Okay, good. Oh, it didn't fit. This means we have to make them a little bit smaller. Click on them and make them smaller so they would fit. Okay, this seems to be a bigger one. Smaller and some small. Good. Now they fit. Good. So I made them 30 to the left, 30 to the right. They are angled. If you want to use a different angle, you can use, but I want to see two angled cat pictures side by side. This is what you're supposed to be doing. Okay. Or it doesn't have to be cat. You can use any animal, as I said. Okay. What's next? I will click on the right side of the pictures, not in between or the left, right side. Okay. See, my cursor is blinking on the right side, and I want to go to the next line now. What do? All I have to do is push what? Enter. Okay. When I push enter, I will minimize this. Oh, I didn't push enter. Let me try. I click here, see, now I push enter. My cursor is down here. That's successful. I can put this down now. Okay, now we're going to add more pictures. Okay, this time I can choose any picture because I want to show you how to crop the images. Okay, let's get this image. Another image, search the web, cat, enter. This time I want to get the heads of the cats only. So I want to teach you how to crop images. Okay, this is a big picture. I want to get the head of the cat only, so I will crop the image from here. Okay, I will add this, insert. That's a big picture. So what am I going to do? It's going to be cropped. Okay, when I click on the image, see, when I don't click on the image, it's a different thing. When I click on the image, the buttons on the top changes. So be careful. Your image should be selected like this. Okay, I want to get those blue eyes. Okay, let's take these over here. What I do, I click on the crop image button. When I push the button, as you see, I see black things on the sides and corners. Good. Okay, when I click on the black lines and drag it closer to the head, okay, I will make this smaller, down, and from the bottom up. See, I shouldn't use the blue, I should use the black. If you use the blue, it will spoil everything. Okay, I will bring it closer. Okay, see, if I drag, I can just even change the location of the, so it's like a frame. Okay, that's good enough. I'm done. I want to keep this. All I have to do is you can just click outside the box. Okay, see, my image is cropped. I only have the head. Good. Let's add another one now. I will insert another picture. Where's my insert? Here it is. Image. Search the web. Cat. Enter. Let's get this. I like that. Insert. Okay. Still that will be big. What do? I should crop it. Get the crop image button. Okay. And you can use the corners. It will be easy. In 2 moves, you can crop it. What happened? Oh my god. Did I add this one? No. I will delete it later. No big deal. I click on this one. Good. I will do this again. Click on it and bring it to the corner. Okay. Let's go. As you see, I cropped this and that. Okay. For example, I made a mistake and I want to, edit it. What do? All I have to do, crop image, reset image. I have 2 buttons over here. As you see, is if I reset the image, the crop thing will be gone. Let's do it. When I push reset the image, as you see, the image is not cropped. Oh, I want to go back. This is the magic button. Control Z, undo. Okay, I want to keep it like this. That's it. All I have to do, and all you have to do, is this. Now let's just make them a little bit bigger. See, I can make them bigger also. Okay, this way it will look like that. Okay, hello, my name is Imran and I like cats. Here are some cat pictures for you. That's it. I want you to do this exactly the same, and I don't need this picture. I will delete this. Okay, I don't know where it come from. Okay, hello, my name is Imran and I like cats. Here are some cat pictures for you. If you can, bring 2 images and turn them around like that, a little bit, lean them, and you can crop the heads of 2 cat images, that or any animal you want. That will be fine. So this is all I want to see in your screen. Okay, that's a short assignment. I believe you can do it. So fingers crossed. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck. Bye bye. Close this and close.